got to say blessed and good morning to the soldiers in the studio.
More life, you know. Lightning, earthquake, and thunder, yeah, yeah. My 88.3. Ash!
You heard it here. Yes, it's Mr. Iwayne. And of course, we have... Nothing else has to be said, isn't it? Nothing else has to be said. Good morning, gentlemen. Blessed and appreciate that you guys decided to stop through the studios today. So, talk to me. We having a conversation here, you know. Like I said, I'm coming and yeah. So, you know,
all about the live show, you know. Carnival Village, you know. Yeah, Bounty Killer, Busy Signal, Iwayne, you know. TJ is there.
Right.
Dusty Vibes, Empress Janelle, you know.
Well, let's start with you, Iwayne. Is this the first time you're here on the islands? Because I can't remember. Well,
probably 3 or 4.
But this is the first time you're here for Carnival. You've been here for Carnival before. Have you done Carnival Village before? Because there's a whole different energy in the village. You know?
No, it's my first time for this.
First time for Carnival.
For, some other reggae concerts.
Different reggae concert, yes we know. But Carnival is a whole different set of energy, you know. And you've been doing this now for quite a minute. I mean, your album Lava Ground is still fire. You know, and the ladies still realize that one man can't satisfy them, so they have to do the right thing. You know, and what's been going on with you otherwise? Have you been touring? What's been going on with Iwayne? Because like I said, you're here for Carnival. Carnival is a different
First of all, you know, protecting and preserving life. That's what Iwayne is about. You know?
Right.
So, just like how Rodney Price always do, you have to learn from the ones them or the elder them, you know?
For real.
You're not afraid to share the platform.
Right.
You know what I say?
Right.
Yes, so we always have some young artists who we work with, you know?
Right, so...
Present time we work with Fire Dusty, you know? Yeah, that's his Fire Dusty over there, and of course, you know, Dusty Vibes and Empress Janelle, you know?
Right,
so they are here with me as well, you know?
Okay.
Because as I say, we have to share the platform and strengthen the ones who are forward, you know?
So more than likely the youngsters that you have with you.
Yeah, just like when you say busy and you say Kananga, you know, say, is that strength, right? As I say, we have to learn from the teacher, them thing there, you know? Elder like Rodney Price and Sizzler Kalandri Capleton, them, I saw them deal with the thing.
Right.
So we have to learn it, you know?
Right. Appreciate that so much because it's very, very important that each one teach one. So once you learn from the elders and you come in and you...
And it have to continue, it have to continue.
It has to continue, it has to continue. So that there is much powers for that, for bringing. But would these young artists also be performing with you on Saturday?
Yeah, man, because it's unlimited, you know.
Right.
If I even a collab, if I even one song, or you see it, if them go and the people them want to hear a next one, or you see it. That's the joy of a share up.
Yeah.
That's why we are pair up, you see. That's why we're pair up, you know.
Not tear up.
Love that energy. So on Friday night, like I said, Carnival Village, it's a festival, our festival village, and we usually do, this is the biggest concert that we usually have for Carnival.
Yeah.
You know, so the place...
Nothing can stop it.
Yeah.
That's why we go and say, can't stop the powers of earth. No care how much hobby you dig you as a work. Some of them is as low as a jerk. Earth shook, fling them on them towers of dirt, you know. Some say, we feel live in peace, nastiness and beer wickedness increase. The flipping beast, flown on his him teeth, we now bow down and kiss him feet. Boy say when him rest him a tick in a head side, another flesh camp on the dead side. Them are the beast up on the set side, Tom show balance up in the correct side. The wicked could have tall like rain, them still a fall like rain. In a corruption, don't you call her a name, I know. You know no filthy or no all that game. Ash!
Yeah! I can't say nothing else but yeah, because it's mad thing going on, mad thing. I'm the top of the head, he come in, he spit, you understand? But I appreciate, I'm standing in front of you, I'm looking at you, and the humbleness thing is so much appreciated, you know, and on these vibes, when the music hits you, perhaps say you feel no pain, you know, so that there is, I am blessed, highly favored to have you here in the studio, so we definitely appreciate you. Sunshine City appreciates you, the world appreciates your music, and as an on-air personality and playing the music for many, many years, I do appreciate you.
Yeah, man, as we say, we have to keep it positive, you know?
Yes, all the time.
Okay.
Busy!
Yes, brother.
What are you telling yourself?
And I tell you, sir, we're there.
There.
I mean, my 98, my 88. As I should say, my 88.
My 88, yes.
Yeah, my 88.3. And the whole of Sunshine City, the whole of the place, so just make them know so we're there.
Right.
You know what I mean? Ready to do what we do, and you know, just have a great time.
Yeah, well, you are no stranger to Sunshine City. I so Sunshine City. I surprised you didn't buy a house here yet and move. Yeah, I understand, because it's a continuous thing.
Oh, my
We're busy, and I've been getting. If you can heard, we did a rendition of several different songs, and these are the songs actually, because I received a message and it said, "Yo, Busy say whatever the people want to hear. You understand? He gonna sing." So,
Yeah. More time we just put it like as a, you know, we just give them them just let them own a roll call.
Right,
So
right.
we just call whatever song they want to hear and we just go around.
Right.
You know what I mean? Even my own rendition of songs, you know, I get inspired from greater ones before us. You know what I mean? As far as we say, we have one of greater ones before us.
For
We
real.
inspire, right? You know what I mean? And when God bless me with the versatility, we can do what we do in a dance song and also try to sing and try to do reggae music.
Right.
I don't hesitate to do that and capitalize on that. So more time, you know, we get inspiration from great ones before us. As I said, we're reaching earlier, I look upon them great picture there. Of some of the greats.
Some of the greats.
Some of them not even there anymore.
Right, some of them already
You know what I
passed
mean?
on
So
free.
we just get inspired. So sometimes people just make a list and say, yo, sing this, so once time allowed. You're ready?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, man.
when I started making the list from some of the calls I got, I checked it out and I said, I don't really think Busy can go all that time, man. Yeah. Because then they start sending everybody's list. Cause they send a list for Iwayne, they say we want to hear this. They send a list for Bounty, we want to hear this. I said, listen, we don't have that much time. Then that kind of concert gonna take 2-3 days.
Yeah. Well, we just try, you know, put together what we can put together, you know what I mean?
Right.
Put it together properly. As I know really, we will perform, you know, we try to share and try to do it in a timely manner where in terms of the time we're allowed to.
Of course.
But we're not dash music.
Nah, love
I
that.
have some boy who perform and we're gonna dash that. We're gonna dash the perform music.
Well, we haven't, well,
Yeah.
yeah, I heard it, because
Yeah.
that's a question that is always asked of
Yeah.
artists, and we see it so many times
Enough
where,
time.
you know, a song doesn't, I mean, myself as a DJ, when I am a radio personality, but as you can see, I'm in here mixing and I'm doing my thing,
Yeah.
when a song plays, a song is longer than 30 seconds. You know what I'm saying? So if you're going to mix a song and you give a song 30 seconds and you pull it out, and then the next 30 seconds and you pull it out, you're not really getting to feel the energy of the artist, feel the energy of the entertainer, feel the energy of what is most important, the music.
And then some of the mash up, you know what I mean, some of the in terms of it, when a person listen to this now, it's a whole heap of preparation for we to be here. The most I govern everything.
Right.
Promoting things.
Right.
Then now you have the patrons who some girls, you know, at them are go do them here.
Right.
Some of them will go buy new clothes.
Of course.
Some of them man them are do the same thing.
Right,
Them are groom,
right,
them
right.
are go there get stuff. Then people have to buy ticket.
Right.
Then you come in there, come say, alright now, fire in the pan show, going together the pan show, TJ, this.
Right.
You know what I mean? And whoever else is gonna be there, show
Right.
the lights. And then the music will be that show.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a good look.
Yeah, and it's been, like I said, I appreciate when I hear this from an artist, because these are the complaints that you get then from the patrons who spend the money and come to see the show and not really get the full joy and the full experience of the artist, because every 30 seconds is a new song. I mean, I would say then exactly why I appreciate you even asking, hey, because the promoter came to me and was like, yo, Busy wants to know if you can get a list of songs that the public likes and they're gonna perform. It's like, good, cool. Means for me, Busy is putting a playlist together.
Yeah, because
You understand what I'm saying?
concerned.
Right.
I'm concerned. You know what I mean? And you know, we past the younger artist stage, which part we have, you know, like 3-4 songs.
Right.
No, you know, the most I bless the talent.
Right.
So it's a vast amount of stuff. So we go
Correct.
into different places more and more. Okay, what I go on and say, Martin, what do you
Right.
ever feel?
Right.
You know, because of the amount of work out here. You know, because some people like this, some people like
Right.
that, some people have a different choice,
Right.
different parts of the world. So nowadays, you know, just anticipate the track listing.
The track
Of the
listing.
different eras.
But the pleasure of that for me is being able for the patrons as well to enjoy that playlist that you choose.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The songs that you have.
Yeah.
If you decide you're gonna do, if you have 50, which you probably have more than that, but I'm just pulling a number. If you got 50 hit songs and you choose the best 20 of your hits and give the people in that, they will enjoy it. But if you try to do all 50 of your songs, they really enjoy in one. You feel me?
It's tricky.
Yeah.
Because as I say, sometimes time make you have to compress.
Right, you have to compress it.
Performance.
Right.
Yeah,
Agree.
so
I
some song
agree.
you have to say, boy, I can't go more
I can't go more than 1 minute.
You can't, sometimes you can't.
You could catch it by the bridge. Or you could catch it.
You know what I mean? And then no, I don't really like that. Sometimes you have to. It put in a state where you have to do that sometimes.
Yes.
But I don't really like that. I like when
Right.
you know what I mean. But no, it's not just busy signal. It's gonna be on this thing.
Exactly.
It's a host of greats.
A host
so,
of greats.
So we know I feel some money at the time. Some more you are the people and like
Right,
separate from what me are doing.
Right.
New.
Correct.
I want me have a, you know, say okay, you don't need to hear this
Right.
regardless of this.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's like being versatile, so you have more than 1,030,000 style and still not have no dirty style.
No dirty style.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
No dirty
I like
style.
that. I like that. I
Village.
like that. I like that. I love that. I love that. I love that. But I definitely do enjoy the fact of you guys being able to.
You warriors, yeah?
Yeah.
No, through the guys, yeah?
I got you.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like you try to run off still, what the first catch?
You're right.
It's like you try to
The
escape
warriors.
that,
The
yeah.
warriors. The warriors. I feel you, warriors.
So they can just run off. So
The warriors. The warriors.
it's like you run off, you know, just catch it like a ball, you know?
Catch me right there.
Just catch your foot
Catch me,
like
yeah.
a ball, you know that?
The warriors.
The warriors.
The warriors. You
Yes,
understand?
sir.
It's
Yes,
blessing
sir.
that the warriors come through
Yeah,
and bless the entire country. You
Respect.
understand? Because in this time as well, we need that blessing.
St. Martin, yeah, man.
Yeah,
As
we
I
need
say,
that
the
blessing.
unity, we need the unity, you know.
Right.
We don't need none of the island to compete, you know, them way they fight
That's
against
what I mean.
each other. Yeah, oneness.
We are one. We are one. It's everybody in the Caribbean Sea together. You know?
Natural.
And the diversity of my island is we have 142 different nationalities that live here.
Yeah.
Voting nationalities for the system. 142.
Yeah.
So from Dominican to American,
All kind of-
all kind of people live here. You know, so that makes our carnival as well completely diverse
Yeah.
of the way it is that we have to do. I mean, I am on air and I have to play every genre of music there is.
Yeah.
You know, but reggae and soca music is in the heart of the people of the country.
Okay.
So we draw that off to everyone, which brings always to this time of the year during Carnival, the One Love concert is always the highlight of the Carnival.
Yeah. Life gathering, you know?
Yes,
Yeah.
and that day brings that energy together with love. So I think the cast that is on this show, you understand, is an amazing cast.
Yeah, man. Reggae dancehall.
Yes,
It's a balance.
it's a complete balance of that genre of music.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we have
that
to deal
day,
with that way.
you know, and once again, I appreciate the fact that the people hear for themselves that they're gonna get a concert. You understand? They're not gonna just get a DJ show.
I must say, rough and tough, you know.
Yeah.
So we're not just there off and puff, you see?
Say it again so they can hear you.
We're not off and puff. We're rough and tough. I'm not promoting no slaughter and puff.
Yeah.
Such and such.
Such and such. Oh man, it is so. Iwayne, what else you have for? What you got planned for the people tonight? What is how I'm trying to figure out the.
As I say, positivity, not simple thing, man.
Simple
Simple, as I say, simplicity, you know.
Right.
Simple goodness, simple positivity. As I say, life teaching, just what I say.
Right.
I remember where I said, no, for say them want live to see Christ and see God. Don't want the good, they rather be bad. Adult, the infant, 93 stab. People really need rehab. From Rastafari parents, I rated him. Wicked up like to kill him and they hated him. Now, look at the state that the place is in. True politics, religion, greed and racism. Love greedy up. Watch out, man.
Holy.
Ah!
Holy.
Yeah, boy, me I tell you.
I'm busy.
Yeah.
Before you reach to say, man, have you been doing any touring? Because I know the COVID, I call it the endemic, because I ain't see nothing in that.
The
But,
pandemic, yeah.
Yeah.
The world just not open.
right.
As a matter of fact, this is actually my first show since the pandemic. So this is the first time
Right.
I'm going to actually be on show and a show in like almost 3 years.
Right.
Yeah, so all the other time, you know, we just work hard to keep videos going. We try to keep content up.
Keep content up.
This is my first show.
Alright.
Since the whole pandemic, you know.
Yeah, I like that. Say it again.
The pandemic.
Yeah, I think they're listening.
Since the pandemic.
Yeah, sometimes I don't feel the listening. You know? So, but you've been, I mean...
We have to keep practicing, yeah, man. We have to keep practicing.
But that had to be extremely difficult, though, throughout that time.
Songs are going right in the meantime and everything, man. We go and visit the rivers and the beach because more they have their own nature to you. Take yourself out of, you know, that little cluster area there.
Take yourself away from it.
Yeah, man. That's you can hold a meds and start out the thing, you know? Flow like the river, you see?
Dash up, yeah, man. You know,
I know it is, I mean, besides doing what I do, I know so many different entertainers in Europe, Trinidad, have a few friends in Jamaica. I know that time was extremely hard for entertainers, work-wise. You know,
they cut off gathering,
right?
You know, and I mean, you know, we're 3 or 4 or more is gathered, you know, giving thanks to Most High, blessing, Most High, show across everyone. But now them cut out gathering, because at the time it seemed like them make it sound like you can't have your family in the house with you.
Right.
People are afraid of them own, people are afraid from them own, people are mask up, you know what I mean, and the mask up work both ways. You know, it worked both ways pan the system and pan, you know, pan even some of the youth and want to take advantage of the mass. So it's like me just celebrate, say, at least we have come out of that's something we just move from that. It's like the world go through this thing and people have them home as, you know, you have imprisonment.
Yeah, you're basically imprisoned in your own home.
Basically, you have you know, so like,
for 2+ years.
Yeah, man. So it's like it's a whole. It's a relief.
Right.
It's a relief. You know, say alright, we're there, and we have life, health, and strength, and still a give thanks, and still a pursue, and still a move on with this thing.
Well, I'm happy that this is, because I know, I mean, each and every one is listening to this program because it's the mood. So the world really understands exactly what's going on because we open and we outside.
Yo, I'm about to tell you, we give thanks because it's market, you know. We different Caribbean, there's enough different Caribbean still a job them like
Yeah.
You know, but you see, the open what?
Yeah, this rock.
You see right that's up.
Yeah, this rock.
Free up,
yo,
free up, man. French side, Dutch side, all
So I have to
sides.
remember, you know, some people get more strength than them deserve and have the nerve. It's still a little you reserve and I preserve. Someone stifle like children, then fly away like the birds. Be careful of your actions and your words. All type of face in a mask, kids no surf in a park. Be careful while taking a walk. Hyena and snake in a grass have enough earth in a heart like glass. Soon they will be breaking apart. Ah, shit.
Oh, I have a little girl that sings all day, every day. I need to ask this question. How long have you actually been singing and doing this, my brother? I mean, literally, I have to ask.
Professionally, I'm from about 2 or 4 professionally, but from I know myself, you see me, I listen to Sizzler, you have to try out the thing, you know.
Right,
I have practice.
Right.
When I walk through the scheme, I go and sing out some Kalanja Lord like a Union Kalanja. You have to practice. See me, I said, yeah, man.
Because it is amazing to me where every snippet and every chance there's something to sing.
So till I learn my song now, I realize, alright then, you know. That's why my cousin named Presley, you know, I say, always in the house I singing, that is a youth where more time I even Lucia them power and thing, you know.
Right.
So Lucia show me say your cousin is a bird, you know, so I wanted the bird that way. You know, I listen and learn a lot of the melodies from, you know.
Right.
Yeah, because I realize say not just words or lyrics, the melody is very important. It's very important. You can't go to like it's a nice making thing.
Right.
I say music is life, so you know, you can't miss it.
Right. It brings you to different areas, whether you're happy, you're sad, you're loving, and you're caring.
More time you're sad, you know, and you know you have to face the people now. You just have to just throw that bad vibe there and just be professional.
Just
you know?
rise up and be professional.
Revamp
it.
Ready?
Nah, gentlemen, I'm elated to have you guys. To have you warriors.
Warriors. Yeah, you can run off just say.
Every time, take a step back.
Yeah.
What you trying?
No, I don't really take a step back, you know. Kill your knees. You see what I say? Step in your knees, you know. I don't take it.
Yo, next time you hear me say that, stop me immediately. All right. Gentlemen, so you guys been here saying
warriors.
Just tell you stop me now.
Alright.
The Warriors has been here.
Warriors not gonna run neither.
Yeah. Been here for a few days. What you guys gotten into while you were here? You know, I hope it was just not staying at your spot or at the hotel. I'm hoping that you Warriors.
Me link up a warrior named Bushman. You know Bushman up there. You know Bushman already.
Of course.
Whole life vibe. Ancient Congo, you know?
Right.
Yeah, you know we have to keep the link. Because Bushman even keep a concert with me on Phantom Moja.
And Phantom Moja a few years back.
Flames, yeah.
Right.
So forward again.
You got Bushman. I never did it in person, but we sent for things.
You sent for things?
Yeah, man. And then we don't.
And you get to
take. L-twice, I'm using those. L-twice.
We get some jelly too. So we never did a Bushman yesterday.
Right.
But we sent for things.
Nice.
You know, we have the Warriors them, you know. So it's like, it's just a joy. As we say, we just there, enjoy, you know.
Full joy, you know.
Full joy. It's compatible because I carry beer, you know.
Right.
Them say carry come, we say carry forward.
For real.
Yeah, man. You know.
For real. Gentlemen?
You Warriors.
Warriors. Walking with me. You're walking with me. What could be that? What could be that, man? Yeah. You see, the thing is, too, my job, besides doing this in the daytime, I also work with a cruise facility.
Okay.
So I'm there during the daytime dealing with all the passengers in the
Cruise,
Yeah.
the cruise and the guys.
The crews and the guys.
Yeah.
You know, so that kind of, you know. Because if I go around and I say, yo, Warriors!
Yeah.
You know, everybody get, you know.
The cruise coming a lot of cruise.
Right,
Yeah,
you know,
cruise.
so, gentlemen, so appreciated. My Warriors.
Yes, I.
So appreciated for you guys. For you Warriors
You
coming through.
Yeah.
If you don't fix this today, bro, you gotta fix this today. All right. Warriors.
Nah, bro.
More like.
Blessing, love.
Give thanks.
High 88.3.
Yes.
Ash.
Yes.
Anything you got. I wanna do something here that we do regularly. I want to set a rhythm on. You know. Warrior Iwayne, Warrior Busy. Bless Sunshine City with something before you leave the studios on my 88.3. What rhythm you gonna put on there for me? Sunshine City, you heard it here. It's my 88.3. You're locked into the mood with your favorite uncle, baby, Warrior Shads.
We said this is started.
Alright then.
Alright, badness some boy a pre. Can't afford team out less lawyer fee. No for say them know your head of the game. Better the aim them kill sister and brother fi fame. No for lift. Hey, watch out man. Busy. Attack it there.
Then tell them this, you know. 88.3. Where they are represent. I know Firewind. Alright. Them say bad up. Bad up who? Which part? Which crew? Could the Firewind them a chat about you? You can't call me Camino Calalu. Them say box in the face. When? Me say how? Which guy? Me no believe it. What them a try? Bad way. Them story them in number 88. That one them name heavy metal when it beat straight beat no hospital. When them up disinfect them like a dental. Things them in a harder alphabetical. One me things them and no rental. Survive this your life. No accidental. Out the road we get the street credential. We no left with things but that's essential. Them say bad up. Bad up who? Which part? Which crew? Could you 88 them a chat about you? You can't call we can we no call. Them say box in the face. When? How? Which guy? Me no believe it. Hey, Kananga, what am I try?
Dash a fire upon the bleacher them. Want them no bleach, them go do it again. Skin a peel, can't touch the street again. We can know them gone on their feet again. Busy, fire upon the bleacher them. No bleach, them go do it again. Skin a peel, can't touch the street again. We can know them gone on their feet again. And them say anything but black never be. So them start say your brown skin a do it. Now a pharmacy me say them all a read. Lightning them burn up themselves with the bleach. Them see a man that say them not take no speech. I tell Iwayne about them rolling deep. When them say the sun them play hide and seek. Flesh get devoured by Berman bleach. Me a fit dash a fire upon the bleach. Look at me, want them no bleach. Let's get a feel how them can't bleach again. We, busy.
With the 88 pine tree represent the music of that we are free. Party a go shot, turn up times 3. Tell them this again. Me say Iwayne there, Signal there, Bounty Killer there, TJ there. All of we are there. We are representing the place and the music and that we have to represent it. Alright then.
So it's a freestyle, no wanna be style. Hey, more than 3 styles. Hey, watch it now. The river and the sea style. Hey, watch it now. Ash!
Yo, warriors. I can't
My
forget
88.3.
Yes. Blessed love. Thank you so much for blessing my 88.3 with your energy, with your vibe, with your love. Gentlemen, warriors, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for coming.
More life, yeah?
Yes.
Bro.